Pleasant good evening to all of you. It's really a very memorable day for NGMA Bangalore that we are having this exhibition set up in our premises. Absolute geometry, torsion balance, the carburetor, transformer, electric bulbs with tungsten filament and with inert gases, radioactive tracing, nuclear power plant, thermonuclear fusion, the electric engine, supersonic flight, radar astronomy, the new metric standard based on light, the ballpoint pen, holography, radio television, electronic computer, the first computer language basic, unleaded petrol, vitamin C, or the theory of games assisting in making rational decisions and conduct. What is common in all of this? Everything is science. One, that these are all outstanding creations of universal science which are instrumental in development in various fields of science and technology and human being as a whole. And the second, that these major achievements were contributions by people to whom Hungary was their homeland, who took their best knowledge in humanity from Hungarian schools, or to whom this country provided shelter and room for their creations. This is Hungary. 12 Nobel Prizes, I'm still going on. 12 Nobel Prizes in the credit of this country. When Nobel laureate Enrico Fermi, the nuclear physicist, was asked if he believed in extraterrestrials, he replied, "They are already here. They are called Hungarians." Fermi's Martians, called Hungarians, enriched the world with over 100,000 inventions, not to mention their countless scientific discoveries. I am from the Science Museum, all of you know, I talk science. That's why I'm talking science. But another very interesting fact, exactly 110 years before, on the morning of December 17th, 1903, Wilbur and Orville Bright took turns piloting and monitoring their flying machine in Kill Devil, which we know as Kitty Hawk in North Carolina. Orville piloted the first flight that lasted just 12 seconds and 120 feet. On the fourth and the final flight of the day, Wilbur traveled 852 feet, remaining airborne for 59 seconds. That morning, the brothers became the first people to demonstrate sustained flight of a heavier than air machine under the complete control of the pilot, and the airplane was invented. Today we are 110 years later from that day. Today is also 17th December 2013. This is the importance of the day when man conquered his dream of flying. It's a matter of honor to us that on this eventful day, no doubt 110 years later, we are opening an exhibition that proves distinctively the strong relationship between art, science, technology, and the man. This exhibition is the direct projection of the ways the fields of science, technology, and art are bound together with little or no boundaries separating them, and comes at a crucial juncture in India, which is in pursuit of both scientific advancements and artistic modernity. Hungary's contemporary art, much like its scientific inventions, has combined various concepts of science and technology in creating a unique approach to art making, thereby pioneering a new realm of contemporary visual culture, light art, which takes a prominent position in this exhibition. This art form was greatly facilitated by the immense progress in optics, optoelectronics, and photonics, wherein light itself is modulated and transformed to create what is called a light environment. This ingenious invention, combined with Bauhaus computing technology has resulted in groundbreaking artistic creations, which is what has come in this exhibition. When going through the exhibition, you will find intelligent use of UV light transforms the artistic creation into a three-dimensional experience and leaves us stuck to the beauty of the creation. In the artistic realm, India and Hungary have had many points of encounter in the past, especially within the rubric of the modern art. As most of you might know, an artist who is considered the pioneer of 20th century modern Indian art, many of whose paintings are in our collection here. Amrita Shergill was born in Budapest, Hungary. Shergill's personal diaries are evidence of the dual cultural world she inhabited as a Hungarian and as an Indian at the same time. With these few words,